Hello guys, this is Fadi, and in this tutorial we will learn how to array objects, scale objects, rotate objects, trim extend to corner, and trim extend single and multiple elements in Revit. So without further additions, let's dive into Revit. For the array, I will go to architecture and component, and I will choose a seat here. As you see here in the 3D, I have a small seat here, and this is a parametric seat, so I can change the family, and this is a parametric family, and we will learn that in next videos. So I will return back to our seat, this one, and I will go to level 1. I will go to modify file, modify tools, and then click to array. I have now to choose the object that I want to array it, and then click enter. Once I click enter, I have to choose. As you see, I have linear array here and radial array here, and I have the number that I want array to it and the movement type, and then I will go. You can choose the point that you want to array from it to specify the distance between the seats. So I want to go to by the center line, and now I want to have the distance between the center lines will be 1.5 meters. Then you can specify the number. For example, if I want to put 5, and then I will specify the distance, click, and this is ready. So now if I want to make array in the vertical side, I will do the same thing. So maybe I put 5 here. I will go to the center line, and then the distance between the center lines is 150 centimeter, and then it will be ready as you see here in the 3D. For the radial array, maybe we can now go to component, and let's choose something like this table. As you see here in the 3D, I have now a round table in the 3D. So I will go to level 1, and also I want to go and bring the component, the same component, which is the seat or the sofa, and put it here. Maybe I want to make this seat 4 seats along this table, so I can use the array or the radial array. So I will go here and choose the radial array, and then as you see I have here the center point. I want to change it and make the place here to the center line of the table. Then I will change the number to 4, and then click from here. You can also specify the angle, but I know that the angle is 90 degrees. So by one click I have 4 seats around this table. For scaling objects in Revit, it may be used by using the scale tool in the modify tools. So not all the objects in Revit can be scaled, but most of them, such as lines or profiles, can be scaled, or if you import images in Revit. So I am here going to draw, for example, a wall. Choose another wall, curtain wall or something normal, for example here, and I want to go now to 3D. As you see, I have here a wall, and if I want to make edit profile to this wall, maybe I can now play with this, for example like that. I am going randomly, and if I click OK, maybe I can have this result. But maybe if I am working, I want to rescale this, I can use now scale, and if you see I have graphical and numerical. If I know that the graphical and the proportions, I can choose it and give the distance. For example, instead of 91 I want to make it 60, and then for the other one I can go and make it like that. So this is the graphical. But if I want to make, for example, scale of the here by numerical and I know the proportion, maybe I want to make it by half, so I will click the base point and will automatically go and make it like that. Also, you can bring any image and by the same way you can make a scale. So this is some applications of scale. For rotating objects in Revit, I will choose maybe this seat and I want to rotate it 90 degree. You can simply go here to level 1 and then go to modify tools. I will select rotate, choose the object that I want to rotate it, click enter, and as you see I have now the flexible line, but I have to click from where to start rotating this object. So if I want to rotate it 90 degree, for example, it will be rotated like that, but it is not rotated here because it is now in a group of array, so this will not work. Instead of edit the group, so by editing the group I will click here and then go to the rotate, click now to the objects and give the angle and making it like that. By finishing the group it will be like that, so that it will be rotated 90 degree. So it is simple tool. Maybe also you have, for example, this wall and you want to rotate it maybe 30 degree or something like that. You can click now, but you don't want to rotate it from the center line, you want to rotate it from this base point. So you can place now the point, the base point, to this point or this point, and then starting rotating by 30 degree. It will be rotated like that. Trim and extend tools are very important in Revit, and now I will show you how to use it. So I am going to draw a wall like that, and maybe I have a wall like that, and now I want to extend these two walls together. So I can go to trim extend to corner, and simply you can choose this wall and then choose this wall, and they will be extended together. Another application, you may have some tools, some walls maybe like that, and you have one like that. Now if you choose trim extend to corner, and from here to here they will be extended like that. But if you choose from here, let's say to here, it will be extended in this way. And for the other ones, which are trim extend single element, I am going to now, maybe you have some cases like that. If you have an exterior wall here and you have maybe interior wall here, and you want to extend them together, you can choose trim extend single element. You will choose now the object that you want to trim or extend to it, and then the other one, it will be extended like that. And for the application of the trim extend multiple elements, maybe sometimes you can have multiple interior walls, and you changed the position of this, and it will be a gap between them. You can simply go now to modify and choose trim extend multiple elements. Choose the element that you want to extend to it, and then 1, 2, it will be extended automatically like that. So this is all for today. I wish that you are interested in this video. Goodbye.